started. This is my sister. Hi, guys. This is me and my sister.
What up?
We're in New York right now, so.
And why? Is the best.
She's older than me, which is surprising considering I'm way
That's
more
right.
mature.
That's
I'm
right.
way more mature than her.
What are you talking about?
You just went, and why? That's
And
you
why, baby?
I
New
wrote-
Year's Eve! It's already over. It's 2011. 1-1. It's a good year.
Just hijacks my video. 1-1! So, as I was saying, we're in New York for my aunt's birthday. It's her birthday today. Today's the 1st.
Yep,
So,
it's her 50th.
it's 1-1-11. Shit.
That's never gonna happen again for a long time. I think 1,000 years or something. I don't know. I read it on Facebook.
Okay.
All right. Anyway,
this video is just kind of for fun.
yeah, no fucking.
Because there's not really a point. But I've never made a video with my sister before.
So what up, Tumblr?
My
Kate
sister,
McGill, I'm the truth.
my sister stalks my Tumblr a little bit. She's crazy.
She makes me cry.
She stalks my Tumblr and she cries.
Yeah, she got away. You got away with words. I don't know where you got it from, but I got away with speaking words. You know what I'm saying? They're over here. It's on the paper.
Kate is all verbal.
Verbal.
There's no writing it down.
No, I don't read. I don't.
Like
Yeah,
like one time we were sitting in the car. We're with our mother, and we're sitting there and we're talking about how the two guys that we were with at the time of this, were going and being with girls we thought were ugly, and so she goes, "What the fuck is wrong with these guys going after grenades? We're some hot bitches." And my mom's just like,
It's the truth.
Crickets.
It's the truth. But we're the McGill sisters right here.
we look completely different.
Everyone says we look the same.
No, we don't. Don't lie.
I don't think so.
There's no lying.
Black, blonde.
Your hair isn't even really black.
Oh, it is.
No,
Can you see?
It's a lie. Her hair, she dyed it black. It used to be brown. It's cute black though.
But I look better black.
You go black, you never go back.
That's right.
But
yeah, I'm hungry as fuck. So we're gonna make some pizza. Or
do we have pizza?
yeah, I bought it from fucking. Where did we just go? What's that store?
Wegmans.
Wegmans, the #1 grocery store in America.
Wegmans.
Go to
Okay.
Pittsford, New York, and you can go there.
Pittsford, inside Rochester, inside New York.
We're on Paddington Circle right now.
And you know what? The funny thing,
Chilling in the mansion.
we go to New York for New Year's, and we're 8 hours away from Times Square. So
Yeah, but it was still the shit.
it was awesome. We got drunk-ish.
Champagne.
Ish.
Popping bottles all night, baby.
You can see why I
Taylor
don't
Ganger
take.
die.
You can see.
Taylor Ganger die.
You can tell why I don't take her places or make videos with. Oh, I almost dropped the computer.
Almost lost my
This is exactly why I don't take her places
Whatever.
or make videos.
What up?
So we'll see you later. We're gonna go
See
make
ya.
pizza.
Peace.
Love you.